We're gradually making our content available on YouTube, and we're starting that on October 26, 2020. We'll be rolling it out over the next few months. You can get immediate access to the content by creating an account, and it's only $10 per year for a single user and $5 per person annually for a small group plan of 5 people. The annual paid service is great for churches or institutions if you're looking for a way to keep track of a volunteer or trainee's progress. Technotes.tv is the perfect platform to qualify those in your organization, helping to establish a baseline of understanding with technology in audio and visual production. Those being trained are required to watch the videos and correctly answer the multiple choice questions in order to advance to the next section. Once completed, they can progress through all the content, be awarded their completion certificate, and you'll be ready to bring them into your church or organization knowing they've got an understanding of all the basics in live production. We're excited about the changes we've made with Technotes.tv. Simple and cost-effective solutions to train your team and volunteers.